Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Hasham. So now I'm starting the next problem number 14, problem number 15. Already 14 problems I've completed on recording the transactions in the book called journal. So passing the journal entries and posting them into ledger accounts, I have completed 14 problems in the last videos. Apart from that, 14 short problems also have completed. So I told you that this chapter is very important because this is a first step in accounting. A student of accounting must know how to record the transactions in the books of accounts. Which account to be debited, which account to be created, how to post it, how to make the ledger account. All these things are the basics. So normally if a student skips this topic, then definitely it will be difficult for him in higher studies, higher chapter, higher subjects. It will be difficult. So take it seriously, watch the video till the end to get the confidence in yourself regarding how to pass the journal entries. What are the different types of accounts, when to debit, when to credit, all these things. So if you have not watched the earlier videos, I suggest you to go to the playlist of my channel. Select the subject Financial Accounting 1. Select the topic Journal and Ledger. Watch the initial videos, watch the theory videos. Just definitely you will get the confidence on the subject, on the topic. So now I'm going to start the 15th problem, and this 15 is the last problem on journal entries and ledger accounts. So before starting the problem, I expect my viewers to have a printout of the problems which are given in the link under my description. So now 15th problem. On 1st January 2013, Ram Murthy commenced business with a capital of 30,000, represented by cash in hand 500, cash at bank 5,200, furniture and fitting 3,000, plant and machinery 21,300. See here, the owner Ram Murthy, when he invests his money in the business, it is called capital. It is not necessary that the owner must bring only cash. The owner may bring other assets also. So whatever cash or other assets which the owner brings into the business, it is called capital. So whatever comes in will be debited and capital account should be credited. Now see here, first of all we will pass the journal entry. Now books of Ram Murthy journal entries, January 1st 2013, date particulars, LF, debit, credit. Now what are the assets owner is bringing in? Cash in hand is 500. So cash account debtor 500. Cash at bank 5,200. Bank account debtor 5,200. Furniture and fitting 3,000. Plant and machinery 21,300. So whatever comes in we have debited. We have debited all the assets brought by the owner, and credit will be given to capital. When the owner invests the money or other assets, it is called capital. 30,000 if you are. The narration being the business started with cash and other assets. That's it. Now second, purchased goods from Raja Gopalan. Purchased goods means it's a credit transaction because name of the party is given. Cash is not given. Name of the person is given from whom we have purchased. Raja Gopalan is the supplier. From supplier we have purchased the goods. Entry purchases account debtor to Raja Gopalan. Purchase account debtor to Raja Gopalan 5,000. Being the goods purchased on credit. Next, sold goods to Vishwanadham. It is a sales. Now two types of sales, cash sales, but cash is not given. Name of the person is given. Customer name is given. We are selling the goods to a customer. His name is Vishwanadham. So Vishwanadham is receiving the goods. Debit the receiver. So entry will be Vishwanadham account debtor to sales. So one point you remember, when we purchase the goods, purchase account will be debited. When we sell the goods, sales account will be credited. Purchases debited, sales credited. So entry will be Vishwanadham account debtor to sales, being the goods sold on credit. Now bought stationery for cash. Bought means purchases. Purchased stationery for cash. So stationery is an expenditure. So debit stationery account debtor to cash. Stationery account debtor to cash, being the stationery purchased for cash. Then received cash from Vishwanathan 4,400, allowed him discount 100. Actually, we have sold the goods to Vishwanathan for 5,000. No, 4,500. Vishwanathan account data to sales. 4,500. So 4,500 is the amount receivable from Vishwanathan. But we are receiving only 4,400. 100 rupees we are allowing a discount. So discount is a loss. It will be debited. Discount is a loss. It will be debited. So entry will be cash account data 4,400. Discount allowed account data 100 to Vishwanathan 4,500. Being cash received and discount allowed. By passing this entry, Vishwanathan account is closed. When we sell the goods, Vishwanathan account was debited. When we receive the cash, Vishwanathan account is credited. 4,500 debited, 4,500 credited. His account is closed. He has paid us only 4,400. So cash account data 4,400, discount allowed account data 100. Being cash received and discount allowed. Next, paid to Rajagopalan by check 4,900 and discount allowed by him 100. So we have paid the check, issued the check to Rajagopalan. Earlier we have purchased the goods from Rajagopalan here. Second date, purchases account data to Rajagopalan. That means we have to make the payment of 5,000 rupees to Rajagopalan. But we are not paying 5,000. We are paying 4,900. 100 rupees discount Rajagopalan is allowing us. That means we are receiving. We are receiving the discount. So discount received should be credited. Discount received is an income. It should be credited. So entry to whom we are issuing the check, Rajagopalan. So entry will be Rajagopalan account data 5,000. Rajagopalan account data 5,000 to bank 4,900 because check is issued. Check is issued 4,900 to bank. To discount received 100. Rajagopalan account data 5,000 to bank 4,900 to discount received 100. Being check issued and discount received. Next, deposited in bank. The cash is going out. The cash should be credited. Bank is the receiver. Bank account data to cash. Bank account data to cash. Being cash deposited in bank. Purchased goods from Chennai. Purchases account data to Chennai. Purchases account data to Chennai 4,850. Being goods purchased on credit. Next one. Sold goods to Mallikarjuna Rao 16,000. Sold goods to Mallikarjuna Rao, customer. So Mallikarjuna Rao account data to sales. Mallikarjuna Rao account data to sales. Being goods sold on credit. Now received 5,850 from Mallikarjuna Rao. Actually we have sold the goods to Mallikarjuna Rao 6,000. But he is paying received 5,850. So 6,000 minus 5,850, 150 rupees discount we are allowing. In settlement of the debt due from him. So we are receiving 5,850 in settlement of his account. How much is his account? 6,000. That means we are allowing 150 rupees discount. So cash, we are receiving the cash. So entry will be cash account data 5,850. Discount allowed account data 150 to Mallikarjuna Rao 6,000. Being the amount received from Mallikarjuna Rao in full settlement. In full settlement after allowing him discount. Then cash sales. Cash sales means goods are sold for cash. Cash is received. So cash account data to sales. Being the goods sold for cash. Paid 4,800 to Chennai in settlement of the debt due to him. Actually we have purchased the goods from Chennai. How much? Purchase account data to Chennai 4,850. So we have purchased the goods and we have to make the payment to Chennai 4,850. But we are paying only 4,800. That means 50 rupees discount. We are receiving. Instead of paying 4,850, we are paying only 4,800. So we are receiving the discount of 50. The discount received account should be credited by 50. So entry Chennai account data 4,850. Actually we have to pay 4,850 to him. His account was credited by 4,850. Now his account will be debited by 4,850. To cash 4,800, to discount received 50. Being amount paid to Chennai in full settlement of his account, or being cash paid and discount receipt. Next one, purchased from Godrej Limited office desk on credit. Office desk is one of the furniture, one of the item of furniture. So simply we can say furniture is purchased. So instead of writing office desk, we include office desk in furniture. The furniture we have purchased from Godrej company. From Godrej company. So furniture is coming in. So we debit furniture account. Who is the giver? Godrej company is the giver. So to Godrej company. Furniture account data to Godrej Limited. Being furniture purchased on credit because name of the party is given. Took loan from Kishore Karwankar. Took loan. So cash is coming in. So we debit cash. Cash account data to loan from Kishore Karwankar. Cash account data to loan from Kishore Karwankar being the loan taken. Paid salaries in cash. Salary is an expense. So debit salaries. Salaries account data to cash being salaries paid. Last one, paid rent to landlord by check. Rent is also one of the expense just like salaries. So rent account data to bank because check is issued. Being rent paid through check. That's it. All the transactions, journal entries I have passed. Now it is asking you to prepare the ledger accounts also, make the posting. See here, we have to open all the accounts which are appearing in these transactions. Each and every account we have to make only once. Example, cash account, bank account, furniture account, plant and machinery account, capital account. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 accounts are affected in the first transaction. So we open 5 accounts. Here, cash account. First one, cash account. Then bank account, furniture account, plant and machinery account, capital account. 5 accounts are over. The first transaction, 5 accounts are affected, 5 accounts I have opened. Then purchases account, Rajagopalan account. I have made purchases account, I have made Rajagopalan account. Second entry. Third, Vishwanathan account data to sales. So Vishwanathan account, sales account. Then after that, stationery account data to cash. But cash already opened now. Again, there is no need to make another account of cash. Only one cash account is enough. Now stationery account. I have opened stationery account. Then after stationery, cash account already there. Discount allowed account I have to open. There is no space on the board. That's why I'm not opening. I'll show you the examples of posting in these 10 accounts. Remaining accounts you have to practice yourself how I'm posting now. The same way you have to post the other accounts also. So you have to make discount allowed account. Vishwanathan account already it is there. Then you have to make Rajagopalan account already there. Bank account already there. Discount received account. So you have to open discount allowed account, discount received account, bank account and cash account already there. Purchase account already there. Yes, purchase account already there. Chennai account you have to open. Then Mallikarjuna Rao account you have to open. Sales account already there. Cash account is there. Discount allowed account is there. Mallikarjuna Rao account is there. Cash sales account is there. So in this way you have to make all the accounts. Now we have to make the posting. In the previous problem also I told you the ledger account consists of 2 sides. Left hand side debit side, right hand side credit side. First of all on the page, from the center draw a line so that half space will be on the left side, half space on the right side. On the left side half space make 4 columns. Date, particulars, JF, journal folio amount. Similarly right side date, particulars, JF amount. Same format you have to make for all the accounts. Now we'll start posting. First entry. In the first entry it's a compound entry because we don't have 2 accounts. More than 2 accounts are there. So it's a compound entry. Debit. Debit is given to cash, bank, furniture, plant and machinery. These 4 accounts are debited. And which account is credited? Capital account is credited. The 4 accounts are debited, 1 account is credited. Now how to make the posting? See here. Which account is debited here? Cash account. Cash account debit. The opposite of this debit is capital. Because we are debiting all these 4 accounts and crediting capital account. The cash account should be debited. The debit side I should write down 2. What is the opposite name here? Capital. So to capital. How much cash is debited? 500. So I am writing here 500. So date is first. So one transaction posted. Cash account is debited. Similarly, we have to debit bank account. So here bank account is here. So I am writing to capital. How much is the bank balance? 5,200. Come on, 2 entries posted. Next is furniture. Furniture account again debit side to capital. How much furniture? 3,000. Then after furniture, plant and machinery should be debited. Plant and machinery account to capital. How much? 30,000. Come on. Now we have debited all the 4 accounts. Now credit should be given to capital. Credit should be given to capital. Now this is the capital account. On credit side, I should write down buy. Credit side, buy. I should note down all the 4 items which I have debited. 4 items which we have debited. Take it on the credit side. Buy cash, buy bank, buy furniture, buy plant and machinery. Cash is how much? 500. Then bank balance 5,200. Then furniture 3,000. Then plant and machinery 21,300. That's all. I have posted the first entry completely. Debit 4 accounts. So debit side, cash account debit side to capital. Bank account debit side to capital. Furniture account debit side to capital. Then plant and machinery debit side to capital. Capital account credit side. Buy cash, buy bank, buy furniture, buy plant and machinery all. First entry posted. Now second entry. Purchases account data to Rajagopalan. Purchases should be debited. Rajagopalan should be credited. So here purchase account is here. Purchase account should be debited to Rajagopalan. How much Rajagopalan? 5,000. So purchase account is debited. Rajagopalan account should be credited by purchases. 5,000. Come on, 2 entries posted. Third entry, Vishwanathan account data to sales. Vishwanathan debited. Vishwanathan is debited to sales. And sales are credited by Vishwanathan. How much is the amount? 4,500, 4,500, 4,500. That's all. This one entry over. Now stationery account data to cash. So stationery account debited to cash. How much is the amount? 150. Stationery account is debited and cash account should be credited. This is the cash account. Buy stationery. 150. That's all. So I have posted up to 4th entry. Because I don't have the space on the board, that's why I have written a sample of 10 accounts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Only 10 accounts I have opened. Still many more accounts are there in this problem. But I don't have the space, I'm not writing. But whatever steps I'm following now, the same steps you have to follow for other transactions. Up to 4th transaction I have completed. From 5th transaction, same way you have to make the posting follow. After posting all the transaction, you have to balance it. So how to make the balancing of the account? Right now here itself I am balancing. But you should not balance. After completing all transactions postings, then you have to make the balancing. Now how to make the balancing? I'll show it here. Now here cash account. In the middle you have to draw this totaling line. What is the total on the debit side? 500. So I am taking 500 here, 500 here. So whichever side the total is more, that we have to take. Here 500 is more. So I have taken 500, 500. So 500 minus 150, it is 350. 500 minus 150 is 350. This is by balance carried down. Balancing figure. And brought down. This is the last date, 31st January. 31st January, I am making the balance. Now carried down balance is taken above the total. Now brought down balance should be taken below the total on the opposite side. This carried down balance is on credit side. So brought down balance will be on the debit side. To balance brought down 350. This is on February 1st. That's all. This is called balancing. Like this, you have to make the balancing. After balancing, you have to make a trial balance. But we are not required in this problem to make the trial balance. Now, how to find out the balance of a bank? Now, see here. The debit side total 5,200. Credit side, we don't have anything. So, first of all, I am taking 5,200 on both the sides. 5,200 on both the sides. By balance, carried down, C by D, balancing figure. This on last date 31st Jan. Right? Now carried down balance is on credit side. So brought down balance will be on the debit side below the total. This to balance brought down 5,200 February 1st. Or this is called balance. Same way we have to, one more account I will tell you, furniture. Same way furniture, debit side we are 3,000. Same 3,000 you take credit side 3,000 by balance carried down. So 30th Jan. Then February 1st to balance brought down 3,000. That's all. So plant and machinery also same. So here it is 30,000, 3,000 sorry. Plant and machinery is not 3,000. Plant and machinery 21,300. Plant and machinery is 21,300. 21,300. So 21,300 by balance carried down balancing figure to balance brought down 21,300. That's all. Now last one, capital. One more account I'll show it how to make the balance. Credit side. Here you can see credit side is more, debit side nil, nothing is there. So if you take the total of the credit side, it is 30,000. Same 30,000 I am taking on the debit side to balance carried down 30,000. Balancing figure. By balance brought down 30,000. That's all. This is called balancing. So after posting all the transactions, then only you have to make the balancing. For example, how to make the balancing? I have shown it here right now itself. That's all. So this is the end of problem number 15. So totally 15 problems I have explained you regarding the passing of journal entries, posting them into ledger accounts and balancing. Right? So after watching these videos, definitely you got the confidence regarding the journal entries, posting them into ledger accounts.